Make her be your order. I place no one above you. Baby girl, you make sense of. Don't wanna stay for the fence order. Make I take you to my mother. Order you. Let nobody put us under. Now me and you. Come on and turn up now. We are bad girl compared.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys are well. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a lace frontal wig installation, or how to do a lace frontal wig. And the hair that I'll be using today is from a company called Asteria hair. So the first thing I'm going to do is to unbox the hair, and then I'm going to bleach the frontal before installing the wig. So this bag right here is a satin bag that you use to store the hair after you take it down from your head. You wash it and then you store it in the satin bag. The satin bag protects the hair from drying out. So these are what I got: 3 bundles of 14-inch deep wave and a 14-inch lace frontal. They also sent these very cute 25mm mink lashes. And what's this? Let's see what this is. Okay, so this is a headband to tie down your, or to lay down your edges. So this is their headband. It is really silky, large. Like this is like the largest headband that I've ever gotten. So the headband is very large and it has their company name written on it. And I find the color to be very, very beautiful. Green and gold. It's very, very beautiful. So they also sent a wig cap. So in order for me to bleach the hair, I have my bleaching powder from Show Line, the developer from Profix Organics. So this is the amount of powder that I put in the bowl. So right now I'm going to add my developer. And you know, to bleach your knots, the consistency has to be thick, because if it's liquidy, it's going to run through the lace and bleach the hair, which you don't want. So it has to be thick. So this is what the frontal looks like. So you want to flip it over like so, and this is a 13x4 lace frontal. So you want to flip it over like this and then start applying the bleach, and you don't want to apply too much pressure. You can see the spatula that I'm using, or you can use your table knife. So you want to gently just spread it on the lace. You don't want to push it into the lace. Spread it like you're spreading butter on your bread, if that make any sense. I'm not applying any pressure at all, guys. Do not apply pressure, because applying pressure, the bleach will run into the hair and you don't want that. So you want to gently spread it, and you want to make sure you cover the whole lace. That way you bleach all the knots. So once I'm sure that I've covered the whole lace, I'm now going to use the foil paper to cover the frontal already. So I'm going to wash it with this shampoo like I said before, and also use this conditioner to moisturize the hair. So guys, I left the bleach on the hair for about 30 minutes before washing it off. And like I said, I used that shampoo and conditioner to finish up the process. So this is what the frontal is looking like. As you can see, the knots are bleached and it looks more natural. So I'm going to position the lace frontal on the mannequin head, and for this tutorial I'm using a mesh cap, as you can already see. So I'll just pull the frontal a little bit to the front and then secure each side with T-pins. Before you pin down the frontal, you want to make sure it's laying flat.
It's feet kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never.
After pinning the frontal down, I went ahead and braided it. That way the hair will not disturb me while I'm sewing it down. So I'm going to sew from this end to the other end.
Just another nigga, I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga, I. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place, Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain, The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a go.
So once you get to the other end of the frontal, you want to make a knot. That way the thread will not lose. So after that, I'm just going to start drawing my guidelines for this wig tutorial. So I'm using a metallic pen. So you can use either a metallic pen or an erasable marker, and it has to be either white, silver or gold. Anything basically that will show on your black mesh cap. So these are the lines that I'm drawing. There are different ways that you can draw the lines when making your frontal, but this is the one that I'll be doing today. So these guidelines will help me to know where to place the tracks. Also, it's a beginner friendly tutorial. So after drawing the lines, I'm going to start sewing down the tracks. And like I said before, this hair is from Asteria hair, and I'm using 3 bundles of 14 inches. So I'm going to attach the track onto the wig cap, and after attaching it, I'm going to place it on the line and then use T-pins to secure it down. That way the process of sewing will be very easy and smooth.
Pommy say she give me pommy in a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say girls them a whining, them me grinding at the thing so. Any man them me looking at the thing so. Girl your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl pommy yard, say me pommy yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man wine, say she give me for me, you say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place, Enter the radar.
So once you get to the other end, you're going to fold it over and place it onto the next line and then continue sewing. So that is what you're basically going to be doing till you get to the top of the wig cap.
Girl, you are what see me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'm a
It's VQs.
original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me a let them hear what I want. Say the girl don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try put me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I tell them, bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Low. I tell them, coming on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. So things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. Say things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. Let go. Original Batman.
It's VQs.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I ain't a bad man, I ain't they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to fail. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man, I ain't they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to fail.
So now that I've gotten to the top part of the wig, I'm going to cut out the rest of the track, and then I'm going to place the track on the last line that I drew very close to the frontal. That way I can use that to cover up the rest of the track at the back. So I'll be sewing the track together with the frontal so that everything will look flawless. And once that is done, our wig is almost ready.
African style, we hit the dance like Bob Marley, we start. You understand me, no made in Japan. We changing style with the girl system warning. Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live line. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me a waistline. I mean a bad man, they want to say. I mean a bad man, them want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man, I ain't they want to say. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel.
So now that I'm done sewing down the last track, I'm going to cut out the excess wig cap underneath the frontal. And when you're cutting out this extra cap, you don't want to cut too close, because when you cut too close, the frontal will lose. So this is what the hair looks like after installing. You can see that because I bleached, the frontal is looking really natural, like a scalp. So guys, I went ahead and plucked the frontal, I washed the wig, and then I installed it. I did not do an installation video for this particular wig, just because I didn't know if it would come out good, but it did come out really good. So I'm going to be doing an installation video next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Every information about this hair will be in my description box below in case you guys are interested. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Say we get to pay, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. Say we get to pay, so no delay. By the end of the day she be wanting more. By the end of the night they be wanting more. Busting out the place, them I wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. In all the place.